Good afternoon. We're here at St. Paul Montessori School to interview their basketball team's captain, Mr. Anthony Griarte, to tell us more about their first win on their first game on Spasaan. Mr. Anthony, how does it feel to win on your first game?
Well, it's unexplainable. We are very happy that our hardship on training resulted good.
Regarding the team, do you think that the strategies you planned worked?
Most of it.
Who made most of the points?
It's Russell Alcantara, the point guard of our team.
So when's your next game?
This coming Saturday, 21st of January.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Anthony.
Thank you.
Girlfriend mo na ba ako? Ayoko nga. Di pa ako ready. Ha? Demanding ang mga girlfriend. Gusto ganito, gusto ganyan. Ewan. Gusto ko lang naman ng McDo fries eh. Talaga?
McDonald's Everyday McSavers. 25 pesos lang.
Good afternoon, viewers. Here's the tallest player of our school and also the rebounder of the team, Mr. Erickson Rosan. I heard that your support was the winning move of the team. How do you feel with that?
Well, I think it's not just about that. We all did our job.
How many points have you done?
Almost points, thanks to my teammates.
To whom do you usually pass the ball?
I pass it to Russell Alcantara. He's a good handler of the ball.
What would you do for the next game?
We definitely won't become not only me but also the rest of the team. We'll do our best while training hard. The harder, the better.
Wow, thank you, Mr. Erickson Rosan.
Thank you.